Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
जागृति,
Yes, sir.
आपके नाम का क्या मतलब है?
Sir, मेरे नाम का मतलब
लाउड।
मेरे नाम का मतलब हिंदी में बोले तो जागरूकता और इंग्लिश में मैं बताऊँ तो विजिलेंस मीन्स अलर्टनेस।
ओके। आपका ये जो शो हो रहा है रिज्यूम मतलब एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, इसमें ये भी शो है कि आप ऑलरेडी कहीं वर्क कर चुके हैं।
Yes, sir.
ओके, यू हैव द ऑफर लेटर एज वेल एज रिलीविंग लेटर।
Relieving letter and I have paying slips, pay slips.
Okay, salary slips.
Salary slips.
ओके, व्हाट इज द वर्क प्रोफाइल ओवर देयर?
I was working as an actuarial analyst with TransValley Consultants in Navi Mumbai.
ओके, व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ एक्चुअरियल एनालिस्ट?
So basically, I was working in pensions domain, that is specifically in gratuity valuation, in which basically gratuity is a liability for a company which company has to pay, employer has to pay to its employees after a completion of 5 years of continuous service. And this is an obligation to the company, and every company which has more than 10 to 15 employees has to follow this rule, has to pay gratuity according to Gratuity of Payment Act 1972.
ओके, व्हाई यू लेफ्ट दैट जॉब?
So since because there are medical issues in my family, medical urgency in my family, so I have to leave the job after around 1 year and 9 months.
What is the use of this subject in the banking?
Sir, actually banking is one of the segment of actuarial science. It is not a separate part of actuarial science. Basically, actuarial science imparts skills that I can use, that actuaries are using in banking sector itself. In India, actuaries are working traditionally in insurance domain, pensions domain, and in other foreign countries, actuaries are also working in banking sector. So basically, all these are interlinked. So I cannot say that banking is something different that actuaries cannot work for.
What about your hobbies?
Sir, I actually in my free time I teach students from in my neighborhood free of cost. This is my leisure time activity, and apart from this, I like to assist my mom in designing clothes.
Be cool and calm, smiling. Sir.
So you have also worked in the pension sector, right? So who is the pension regulating authority of India?
PFRDA.
PFRDA. Is it a statutory body?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what is CPI, Consumer Price Index?
Sir, Consumer Price Index. Consumer Price Index is basically first thing is calculated by National Statistics Office under Ministry of Planning, Ministry of Statistical Implementation
And
Program Implementation. So basically, it is a measurement of change in price when we are talking in retail terms. Means when retailer is selling it to customer.
Okay, all right. So CPI, does it include the services or not?
Yes, sir. It includes goods and services.
Goods and services. All right. So you might have heard about Fritzwell. So what is your basic qualification?
I have done BTech in IT.
BTech in IT. And as of now, you are just preparing for PU interview, right?
Yeah.
So
For SBI.
might be. So you are an engineer. You could have been applied for the Indian Engineering Services as well. Now you are just facing the interviews of bank period, right? So there is a big possibility that you can also go for the banking clerical interviews, right? So in that particular phase, if you are just going for as per your capability, you are not following that. So which kind of unemployment? Either it is an underemployment. Is it an underemployment?
Sir is telling that you are overqualified for this post. Okay, it comes under which type of unemployment?
I cannot answer.
Okay, all right. You, as of now, you are just working in one sector, and you, as of now, assume that you are working in one sector. Now you have just now today onwards you have left the job. After 2 months, another company means today onwards you have joined the next job, right? But the time duration to join it is 2 months. So in that duration you are completely unemployed because you have just left the job. So which kind of unemployment it is?
Sorry, sir. I cannot answer the time.
All right. What are treasury bills?
Treasury bills are the government securities which are issued by RBI on behalf of Government of India. Treasury bills are of three types that can be issued for 82 days, 364 days, and 184 days.
It's a pan-India job. Bank
Yes,
POA
sir.
is a pan-India job. If we guys posted you anywhere in India, then you will manage.
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, if I will see, it's almost 10 to 12 years I have been living away from my home. So I have already spent a good amount of time living away from my family. So I can be comfortable in adjusting.
Why currently the petroleum prices are rises?
So basically, this I
One or two reason?
Okay. So basically, petroleum prices are rising because the government of India is imposing a major part of excise duty has been imposed on petroleum prices by government of India or state governments. So I think that is one of the reasons.
Excise duty, is it a direct tax or indirect tax?
Excise duty is indirect tax.
Indirect tax.
अरे सोनिया गांधी को फिर अपना
And do you know about it that petrol and diesel prices, they are daily regulated, daily decided, or they are pre-decided by the government?
No, sir, they are daily.
लाइब्रेरी में दिखा
They are
सकते
fluctuating on daily basis.
So since after independence we are deciding them daily basis, or we have just adopted this formula very recently?
I don't have any idea much about this.
Who is the regulator of capital markets?
SEBI,
SEBI. And who is the regulator of credit rating agencies?
SEBI itself.
SEBI. अगर SEBI से कोई कस्टमर सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है तो उसके लिए वो किसको कंप्लेन करेगा? कौन अथॉरिटी है ऐसा? रिड्रेसल ऑफ SEBI. कंप्लेंट्स रिड्रेसल ऑफ SEBI.
Resolving authority कौन सी है इनमें से? किसको अप्रोच कर सकता है?
मैं दो नाम बताऊंगा, आप बताएंगे उसमें से कोई?
Yes, sir, sure.
Is it scores और camels? ओके, पढ़ लेना आप स्कोर्स है. ओके, ठीक है. अभी इंडियन इकोनॉमी कॉन्ट्रैक्शन में है, कोविड के बाद रिवाइव कर रहा है. कोविड का कुछ बेनिफिट भी हुआ क्या?
Yes, sir.
क्या बेनिफिट हुआ?
तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कोविड का हमारे जीडीपी मैं ऐसे बात करूँ, फर्स्ट थिंग एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर बूस्ट हुआ है कोविड ड्यूरेशन में, बिकॉज जो भी माइग्रेंट्स थे, माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स जो बाहर जॉब करते थे, वो अपने अपने गाँव विलेजेस में वापस लौटे हैं और उन्होंने अपना जो ट्रेडिशनल एग्रीकल्चर वर्क है उसको कंटिन्यू किया है. तो दिस इज द वन सेक्टर जहाँ पे एग्रीकल्चर बूस्ट, जहाँ पे करंट अकाउंट सरप्लस आया है इन द रिसेंट इकोनॉमिक सर्वे. सेकेंड थिंग जो हुआ है, इम्पोर्ट कम हुआ है, और जो इम्पोर्ट और एक्सपोर्ट, तो उसी इम्पोर्ट कम हुआ है हमारी इकोनॉमी, क्योंकि डिमांड नहीं थी. जहाँ पे हमारा मैक्सिमम पोर्शन जो प्रोड्यूसिंग नहीं है वो इम्पोर्ट होता था, तो इस वजह से इम्पोर्ट कम हुआ है. तो जो ट्रेड डेफिसिट है वो भी कम गया है इस बार. तो दो सेक्टर है जहाँ पे काफ़ी बेनिफिट हुआ है. तीसरा सेक्टर मैं ये बोलूँगी कि कोविड-19 के लिए जो हमारे दो फर्म्स हैं, इंडियन मतलब टेक्नोलॉजी फर्म्स, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी फर्म्स हैं, उन्होंने जो कोविड के लिए इतनी कम ड्यूरेशन में वैक्सीन्स को प्रोड्यूस करके जो
Okay. Why SBI is not a nationalized bank?
Sir, SBI is not a nationalized bank because SBI had been formed from Imperial Bank. Imperial Bank was formed in 1921, and in 1995, Imperial Bank was nationalized and converted to SBI and renamed as SBI.
Why SBI is come under too big to fail?
Sir, when a bank's GDP, bank's asset value is minimum 2% of the GDP, so then it comes under systematic important bank, and according to RBI, SBI has to maintain a part of 0.6% of RWA with additional.
Two private banks are also there.
Yes, sir.
Name those.
ICICI and one is SDFC Bank.
Okay, last question. Why are we selective?
Sir, since I'm a BTech graduate from IT, I'm very compatible with the hardware and software and the technology being used in the banking technology, in the banking sector. I can relate this since I was working with, when I started working with TransValue Consultants, so I was not very compatible with learning in using Excel. Yet most of my work was in Excel. So that knowledge would be very helpful for me in working with Excel, in working with models. So one thing that is I'm good at and it can be helpful for banking. And second thing, actuarial science, I'm pursuing actuarial cleared many papers. So this is one of the segment, and recent and currently my institutes has introduced a new exam, that is STT, that is particularly for banking. And in long term, I think I got more opportunities with SBI, and I can be fruitful for the company.
So
Okay,
last
best of
question
luck.
for today.
Okay, sir.
One more question.
Sir.
NABARD, right?
Yes.
Madhe, what about it? So NABARD, basically, I am glad to assume that you are a politician,
Sorry, sir.
right? You are a politician,
I'm a
politician,
politician.
right?
Yes.
So NABARD has repeatedly denied that we will not be allocating the loan to agricultural sector, specifically in your village, and you are demanding that allocate the loan to me. So is it possible for NABARD to allocate the loan for you, to you specifically?
So being a politician, I think banking sector is not about politics first thing, and there are rules and regulations which NABARD has to follow, and I think NABARD will not do such kind of thing that is against the rules.
All right, done.
Okay.